Have you ever felt like someone stole your big moment? That's exactly what the idiom steal someone's thunder is all about. Let me share a funny story to illustrate what I mean. One of my students, Maria, was so excited to present her project in class. But just before her turn, another student blurted out the key findings, leaving Maria feeling deflated. You see, to steal someone's thunder means to take away the impact or attention from someone else's accomplishment or announcement. Now, let's see how Maria handled the situation. She took a deep breath, then calmly explained the key points of her project, adding her own unique insights. By the end, she had the class captivated, and everyone was talking about her presentation. Here are some examples of how you can use steal someone's thunder in different contexts. In a casual conversation, my friend stole my thunder by announcing her engagement before I could. In a formal setting, the CEO's announcement about the new product line stole the spotlight from the marketing team's presentation. In a humorous context, the comedian's punchline completely stole the thunder from my witty remark. In a business setting, our competitor released their new app a week before our launch, stealing our thunder in the market. On social media, I was so excited to share my big news. But then my cousin posted about it first, stealing my thunder. To help you remember the meaning of steal someone's thunder, think of a thunderstorm. When a loud clap of thunder interrupts someone's big announcement, it's as if the thunder has stolen the show from that person. The origin of this idiom dates back to the early 1700s. Playwright John Dennis invented a thunder machine for his play Appius and Virginia. While the play itself wasn't a success, his thunder machine was. However, when his play was no longer running, he claimed the Drury Lane Theatre stole his thunder effect for their production of Macbeth. He reportedly exclaimed, "That is my thunder, by God, the villains will not let my play run, but they steal my thunder." Over time, the idiom has become a common way to express the idea of overshadowing someone else's moment. Some similar idioms to steal someone's thunder include upstage and outshine. On the other hand, give someone the spotlight or let someone shine are the opposite of stealing someone's thunder. And related idioms like hog the limelight or steal the show also convey the idea of taking attention away from others. For example, you could say, "I was planning to announce my new job at the party, but my friend stole my thunder by sharing the news first." Or you could rephrase it as, "I was going to be the one to tell everyone about my new job at the party, but my friend revealed the news before I could." The meaning is similar, but using the idiom adds a more vivid and expressive way to describe the situation. I remember when my colleague, Sarah, was about to present her big project proposal to the company executives. But just before her turn, another team member jumped in and started sharing the key details, effectively stealing Sarah's thunder. Sarah handled it gracefully, though, and ended up impressing everyone with her comprehensive presentation. One common mistake is using steal someone's thunder with the wrong preposition. Like saying steal from someone's thunder instead of steal someone's thunder. Another mistake is thinking the idiom means literally taking someone's thunder, like a physical object. And it's important to avoid using steal someone's thunder in situations where it doesn't quite fit. Like when someone genuinely shares information before you can. Let's test your understanding of steal someone's thunder with a question. What does the idiom steal someone's thunder mean? A. To take credit for someone else's idea. B. To overshadow or upstage someone else's accomplishment. C. To literally take someone's thunder as a physical object. D. All of the above. In summary, steal someone's thunder is a common English idiom. That describes the act of overshadowing or upstaging someone else's moment or accomplishment. Understanding the meaning and usage of this idiom can help you communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstandings. Now it's your turn. Share an example of how you've encountered or used this idiom in your own life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more idiom lessons. I'll see you in the next video.